Welcome to Mexico Culture Day. Mexico is located south of the United States and is part of North America. Mexican culture is colorful and vibrant, influenced by the Mayans and Aztecs. Music is an essential part to Mexican culture. Mariachi music is common in Mexico. A mariachi band is made up of 4 or more members who wear charro suits. They play instruments such as trumpet, guitarrón, guitars, violins, and more. We also have maracas. Spanish is the national language of Mexico. Mexican Independence Day is celebrated on September 16th. It is very similar to the 4th of July in the United States. This is the day that Mexico won its independence from Spain. Dia de Muertos is a huge celebration in Mexico. It takes place on November 1st to November 2nd. It is a time for families to remember and honor their lost loved ones. This right here is an ofrenda. This is where families put pictures and offerings for their lost loved ones. It is intended to help invite the spirits back. And right here we have marigolds. Marigold flowers are commonly placed on ofrendas. Calaveras are decorated skulls, sometimes made of sugar, that are used to cover an ofrenda. And over here we have papel picados, which are decorations made from paper or tissue paper that are also used to cover ofrendas and decorate the surrounding areas. Piñatas are used in various celebrations, from birthdays to other parties. They are colorful, come in many shapes and sizes, and contain candy or other prizes. The person is blindfolded, then instructed to hit at the piñata with a stick until it bursts. Mexican food is a huge part of the culture. Up here we have elote, which is Mexican street corn. It's corn usually covered in cheese and chili powder. We have tacos, tamales, mole, which is the national food of Mexico, this brown sauce, and enchiladas. Those are just a few. Traditional Mexican dress varies between men and women. The men wear charro suits, sombreros to protect their faces from the sun, baja jackets, and ponchos. The women wear sleeveless tunics, festive ponchos, shawls and scarves, and Mexican skirts. For our Culture Day plan, our 3 stations include creating your own papel picado with tissue paper, creating your own piñata with a lunch sack and tissue paper, and creating your own maracas out of empty water bottles and dried beans. Finally, our Culture Day menu includes tortilla chips and guacamole as the appetizer, build your own tacos as the main course, and sopapillas for dessert. Adios!